So hello guys, good morning, and today is Sunday. Today is another vlog, Sunday, day off na naman ng mga katulong, charot. So, ayan, nakapag-vlog na naman tayo, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my island life. So ayan guys, I've been waiting for this day kasi nga syempre marami kaming ginagawa dito sa beach namin. Naglilinis kami, ang dami naming inaayos. Tapos nung nakaraan nagpatistis kami ng nyog. So ayan, kung gusto niyo makita kung paano mo magtistis ng nyog dito sa sa beach. So ito siya. There we go! First coconut down. There it goes! 2 by 2 by 12. So ayan, ganun lang. Medyo madami kaming pinatistis. So parang yata, anim na nyug. Tapos ang dami din naming pinalit. So may mga bago kami na tinanim para kahit papano mapalitan yung mga inano na namin ba, tinistis na. So ayun, yung mga tinistis namin ay gagamitin namin yon sa paggawa ng aking small kitchen. So ayan, so kung gusto niyo makita yung aking small kitchen, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo, bibigyan ko kayo ng tour. Pero sobrang liit niya. Sa lang siya, kumbaga para meron lang akong area or kitchen na makapagluto ako, alam mo yon, kung anytime na gusto ko. Tapos alam mo naman tayo mga Filipino, rice is life. So ayan, kailangan natin kumain ng rice parati. So ayan, good thing is I have no problem with my husband. It's because he will eat anything except the ginamos and the shrimp paste. So that's the only thing that he won't eat here. So guys, ito yung small kitchen ko. Nakatatapos lang kahapon. It looks very nice, very simple, but it's very usable. So I have a single burner over here. That's where I cooked. And we get 2 water jugs. And that is kinda our small dining table. And we have a a tabletop right over there. And while we're eating, that is our view. Looks so very nice. And if you look on my right side, there is a little bit of clothes hanging in there. And that's how we dry our clothes. Kasi wala pa kaming dryer. And since it's very hot, so why use a dryer kung pwede nating i-dry sa sun? So that is kind of like a half wall. I really like the way they did it. It was made of bamboo split, and they build it crisscross. I was thinking actually to put sawali in there, but we feel it that if we're gonna close it with sawali, the air cannot move in and out, so it's gonna get hot. So hoy, kung alis dyan. Kung talaga. So ayan, so we decided just to put a bamboo split in there, so that way we can still feel the wind. So yeah, very cool. And out here we have some pitugo plants, and this is like the bar table that I'm talking about. So if you take a look at it, excuse me, right there. So if you put like a chair or a stool out here, so it's gonna really look like a bar. So yeah, and we get a piece of buko over here. That's a reserve, because the boss is gonna drink that later on. And here it is. So yeah. So guys, if you are wondering what we are also using right now, we are using a solar panel. So that is our solar. No need to use electricity. Just two of this, at pwede na kaming makapag-power ng light. Ilan ba yung ilaw namin? Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Meron kaming tatlong ilaw. Tapos isang maliit na electric fan. Tapos meron kaming well. So gamit namin is yung pump para lang ma-pump out namin yung water. So ayan, so hindi kami nagbabayad ng kuryente. So ito lang ang gamit namin, dalawang solar panel for now. Pero kapag meron na siguro kaming mga appliances, dadagdagan namin yung solar panel. And we are using a big battery also. Meron kaming isang battery na gamit na malaki. And out there, that is the main road. So ayan yung pinaka main gate namin. So sa ngayon, made of bamboo pa po siya. But we are thinking of changing it into concrete. And then we have cashew tree. Dalawa ito. Ay no, tatlo. Isa. Tapos meron doon isa din. And then meron din isa dito. At meron na po siyang bunga. So ayan guys, ganito yung bunga ng cashew. So meron ditong tatlo. There's 3. And here, there's a couple up here. So there's a couple of nuts. Cashew nuts. And this one right here, so meron siyang heart dito. So itong heart na to, kapag nahinog siya, pwede mo siyang kainin. Tapos ito yung nuts niya, yun yung itatabi mo, kasi yan yung nagagawang binibenta, cashew nuts. So ayan guys, nandito ako sa taas ng kasoy. So ayan, kung makikita mo, ayan siya, hinog na yan, ayan. So, yung niyan, malaki na yan. Pero may mas malaki pa po dyan. So, ayan yung tinatanggal nila. Tapos, ini-slice nila. Tapos, kinakain. Tapos, tinatabi yung yung nuts ba. Tapos, meron pa ditong isa sa likod eh. Hindi mo masyado makita. Pero, yun, mas malaki siya. Ayun siya oh. Yan. Mas malaki yan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya kapag nahinog siya. Very cool. Ay, ayan. Meron sa baba. May nalaglag. Ayan. Yung hinog na siya. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Ito siya. Hindi ko napansin. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-heart niya. Tapos, ito yung kinakain nila. Tinatanggal nila ito. Tapos, tinatabi yung seeds. Tapos, ito yung lasa na para siyang apple. Pero mas softer version. So, ayan. First time kong makakain. Pero masarap siya. Masarap siya. Yung amoy niya ba, pag inamoy mo, parang amoy na yung bayabas na na hinog. Yung sapiro ba sa Bisaya ang tawag nun. Yung hinog na hinog, yun. Yeah, amoy sapiro siya. Ganun yung amoy niya. Pero pag kinain mo siya, para siyang lasa siyang mansanas. Yan, sarap. So yan, tanggalin natin yung buto niya, tapos itabi natin kasi natin pa, tuyuin natin yan, tapos pwede nating sagagin pag nakarami na tayo. So sa ngayon hindi natin makakain to kasi ano na siya, medyo bulok na, natanggal na, nalaglag na kasi siya. Dapat sa sa puno mo siya kukunin para fresh yung pinaka heart niya, nakakainin mo. So ayan, very interesting. I don't know about this cashew before. So ayun guys, let's go. Dadalhin ko kayo sa aming beachfront. So ito yung ibang nyog na tinistis namin. So pinatistis namin ng ganitong size kasi maglalagay kami ng bench dito. Ewan ko kung saan namin ilalagay. Tapos yan yung pinakahaligi niya sa ngayon. And we have another talisay over here which is really nice because yung tubo niya straight talaga siya. Tapos yung dahon is like a canopy. So yeah, it's very shady in the afternoon. So kaya yung mga kids sometimes dyan sila nagtatambay sa labas dyan kasi dyan malilim. So yeah, if you can see behind me guys, there's a lot of new coconuts. So yung iba niyan 3 years, 2 years ago na. Yung ito, yung nasa point ng finger ko. Yan, mga bagong tanim namin yan. Baby pa lang siya. So ayan yung mga pinalitan namin, yung mga tinumba na namin ba. Pinalitan namin siya. So, ayan, antay tayo ng mga 4 to 5 years bago natin siya makita na talagang na siya, maganda. So, ayan. Here's Kungkung. Hello, Kungkung! Ayan yung aso ng namin Ate Flora. Tapos dito sila natutulog minsan. Ayan, sika lang. Buksan natin yung gate. Yeah. Labas. Paglabas mo ng gate, ito yung bubungad sa iyo. Here is our front view. Wow, the water is very calm today. It's like last week. It's very wavy. It's kasi amihan pa siya sa ngayon. So may days na talagang sobrang maalon niya, malalaki yung waves niya, but right now they're very calm. And here we go, let's go to Kungkung. And here it is, and that is the property over there. That is the talisay that I'm showing you a while ago. I really liked it. It's very shady, the canopy is very nice. And yeah. So guys, maliligo kami sa dagat. This is my first time na magsiswimming dito sa beach namin. Kasi tawag nito, lagi akong sinasama ni Jim na maligo. Sabi kong gano'n ang init-init. Alam mo na lola nyo, takot mangitim. Kaya ayan, meron tayong dalang sunblock. SPF 50. Okay guys, let's go. I'm excited. island life. First time niyang maglaro ng frisbee. It's all her first time. Last time she was also playing with a cornhole with us, and she's learning very quick. And now frisbee. Look. Okay, here's the teacher. There you go. More practice. Ah, good catch. Look at that dog. That is our island dog. Oh my god. Hi. Hana, ano ginagawa mo? Yeah, she's making a sand ball. It's not a snowball, but it's a sand ball. Patingin ang gawa mo? Oh, look at that. Looks like candy. Here's the boss and Pucci.
For guard dogs.
You
buy a piece of property here, sometimes it comes with a dog.
She's a really good dog.
Oh, she's awesome.
Yeah.
I think it's got a little bit of a terrier or something in it because just got the kind of the head of a terrier, but awesome little guard dog. Yeah. Kind of knows the deal and doesn't even have to be taught or trained. Just knows exactly what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you go outside in the middle of the night, she will follow you.
Yeah. Looks like these dogs will actually kind of read the reaction of the owners. People that feed it.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, 2 nights ago he went outside. It's like around 1 o'clock in the morning, and he tried to roam around the property, and Pucci is escorted on him.
She kind of knew what I was doing and stayed right there while we were going for a midnight stroll.
Oh, here comes the sand ball. So look at that. Murphy and Pucci.
It has some sort of, it looks like lab in it. Just looking at
Yeah, they're huge dog.
Yeah.
I mean around here, because we know that we saw a couple of dogs on our neighbor, and they were like
These
needs help.
Probably your run-of-the-mill dogs. Probably a little bit to the larger side. But, your foreigners will bring in different breeds. You know, Rottweilers, Golden Pinschers, things like that. But